Hello, welcome back to the OJ Room channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reform a tight turtleneck t-shirt into an off-shoulder style. In fact, a follower of mine asked me for this project in the comments, so I made this video. I hope this video will help others too. First, I marked the desired location with an eraser marker. It is about 8 cm from the front neck and 13.5 cm from the high point shoulder. Spread the t-shirt flat and draw a straight line. Since the line drawn now is the finished line, draw seam allowance of 2.5 cm upward. Then spread the sleeve flat in the same way and draw a straight line with the bodice points. At this time, draw with the ruler and sleeve at right angles. Draw a 2.5 cm seam allowance for the sleeves as well. And draw the other sleeve in the same way. And cut the t-shirts according to the seam allowance. I tried it on first because I was curious about the fit. It's definitely loose. I think the clothes will come off. Overlock the entire seam line. After overlocking, draw a 2 cm seam allowance on the inside of the garment. Now fold the seam allowance inward along the line you drew and sew 1 cm. At this time, sew except for about 3 cm hole. After sewing, I will put an elastic band into the tunnel. I used 0.6 cm with this band. The length of the elastic band is like that. Connect the band to the clothespin and insert it into the tunnel. Sew the end of the band or tie it tightly. Then pull the cloth on both sides so that the elastic bands are evenly spaced. Finally, sew the last unsewn hole. Made very easy. Shall we try it on?
Inside